Hey kids, it's Mr. Little. Hey, I just wanted to touch base with you and show you a couple other ways of accessing some of the features since we have gone to a distance learning model. I'm going to show you how to access the Science Fusion textbook. Now you may remember from class that we have gone ahead and done this on a couple occasions, but I'm going to show it to you again just to clarify. There are two ways to get to it. First is to use the Invest website, which of course I think is probably going to be the best because it shows from your vantage point what you are responsible for doing. Now you can get to it from Moodle, and I'll show that to you here in just a moment, but obviously this is going to be the best way to do it because if I click this where it says Science Fusion Textbook, click right down here where it says Textbook, it's going to take me to the book. Now, there's another way of doing it. You can actually go ahead and open up a new tab. You can put in moodle.nsdtx.org, hit enter, click here where it says middle school, find Pike Middle School, go to science, and it's going to bring up 6th through 8th grade. Now obviously, since we're 8th graders, we're only interested in these two. Either one of these are perfectly fine for accessing the textbook. If I were to go and click on the on-level 8th grade science page, it's going to pull the home page up. And you can see there's a list of icons here in the center where you can access the information as well. So if I click this icon for textbook, it's going to go ahead and get me to the same position. But really, I think for our use, it's going to be much easier to go ahead and access it from the Invest Learning page. Okay, so it says here for the Science Fusion textbook, we want to get to pages 226 to 229. So it's pretty short. So if I go and click here, I go up to the top, go to page number, click 226, and it's going to pull up the necessary pieces to read. Now, if you are an oral or auditory learner, all you need to do is click on this icon right up here at the top, and it will go ahead and do a text-to-speech function. So I'll go and show that to you just real briefly so you can hear it, see it. So you can see that if I click that icon, it's going to transfer everything that's in the written term to a language term. If you want to, there's also this piece over here where if you click more, click on that. If you wanted it read in Spanish, it can do that as well. So I'm not going to go ahead and go through each individual page on this. I'm going to leave that responsibility to you, but it's not too long. If you look at it, it's just a few pages here. Okay, so this concludes the learning how to access the online textbook.